Right, so today we are just going to talk about a little trade setup for you guys. This week on Monday. So on Monday, right, I scaled up some profits to about here, right, somewhere right here, right, so be 7984, somewhere around right here, right. I didn't hold continuously for up here because what happened, we had on Monday we had a big down, so it was like a breakout structure. This would have been the initial high, so I was really targeting up here. So I saw price that'll be really choppy, and I exited this trade on Tuesday, somewhere around right here, right. So let me go back to why did I enter this trade. So on Monday, oh, sorry for the yawn, don't know why. Feeling tired already and me even start to talk. So guys, so on Friday, this was Friday's low right here, initial low, right, and market opened and went up. So what I did, I saw price came back down here, so I say, okay, price is back here, we could go for that W, for that retracement back up to these highs, right? And apparently that did not happen. So I was waiting for this area here, right? Price come all the way here, and this area went up here, so he's here. So I want this area to break for that retest to give my entry. So forth, it did not happen, and it continued going down. So on Tuesday, right, we saw on Monday this was the market low here, and Tuesday market open, he had a spike down, and we had a little pull up, and we had another breakdown. So I wanted to see price go back into Monday's low. So we had this bullish engulfing candle close here, and I said, okay, let me mark it out for you. So what they teach us, or what gurus teach us on the internet, right, your last candle before that move, which is like order block. So let me draw that for you. Draw that where it is, boy. Right triangle. So this would have been the last down move on the H1 before the pullback. So this red candle here, that would have been the last move. So I said, I saw this candle already here, and it already have cleared and back into back into the low of Monday, right? So price is in the low of Monday, it closed in the low of Monday. So what I want to see is, I want to see price test back that area with a candle, which we had a confirmation here. Let's go down to the 15 minutes chart and see what we see down there, right? So we had our whole setup here, which we had rejection, and my entry was right here, I entered here and I held this thing all the way up here. So on another note, we had this spike down and I was like, what, price coming back down again? I'm gonna lose my profits. I say, you know what, my stop loss would have been right beneath here, so let's leave it. And when I do so and I look at my phone, we had good profits and I just left it. So also this whole long wick we had was to like take out traders that was any money, and this was a news candle. When the news hit, we did definitely had that retracement or pullback, right? So now we are going and waiting. We got this sell today, right? We got this sell today on after I saw this candle close. I said, right, the bears are in the market, and I entered. I think I did enter somewhere here on this candle, and I got out like probably here, so because I was expecting a pullback and it just consolidated. So what I'm currently waiting for, which I may not trade tomorrow, I'm waiting for some sort of confirmation stating that it's going to go back up, or to see if it's coming down. So tomorrow I will not be trading on this. So guys, the links for the broker, everything is in the description. I only got one trade this week and I was tremendously satisfied with that. Right, so this is USD CHF. I've been trading this because Donald Trump is just making people money, right? So USD CHF, that's a safe haven currency, so a lot of people would go and buy up the CHF pair, and hence for the down move for a very long period of time, right? For the whole year, this thing has like practically heading down, and people want to be safe. So hence the reason I've just been looking for sell opportunities and one or two buy opportunities in the long run, right? So we are going to have some serious buys in this soon. So some of you all guys could just find that last support area and just like put your stop loss and hold this thing, because one of your area is definitely going to be this area here that was like 2 months ago, and then the other area is going to be here, the month which would have been the 5th, that it would have been May. So May and June, price has to come back to eventually target. Our moving averages is going to cross very soon. Right? For that buys.